Hello and good evening from England. I'm going to make one of my favourite meals. You've seen me do it a few times before, but I hope you never get fed up with it. I'm going to make a spaghetti bolognese. So this is the bolognese sauce I'm working on. In this dish over here, I've browned some minced beef and chopped bacon. And now I have going into the saucepan. I'll tell the ingredients as I put them in. This is onion. This is garlic with a little bit of chilli added to it. This is a couple of mushrooms, 2 or 3 mushrooms just chopped up. This is celery. There's some lovely ingredients going in here, aren't there? Beautiful ingredients. And then finally, grated carrot. So that's the vegetable side. Just let me pick up all the ones that missed the pan. There you go. And I don't want these to burn, so I won't do them for long because there's no liquid in with them at all, apart from a little bit of oil at the bottom. I put some fresh oil in when I've taken the meat out. Okay, so don't let it stand for too long. Right, so I'm going to cook that for a couple of minutes and then come back to you. So I cooked it just for a couple of minutes. It hasn't been long because I don't want it to start to burn because there's not much liquid in there. Now I've taken it off the heat, just in case you wondered. I should put the heat back on. When I've got a bit more of the liquid in there, well, here's some liquid going in with the meat. That's a good start. And then I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are better, but it's the winter in England and it's hard for us to get hold of UK grown fresh tomatoes. The current ones, I think grown in France, the ones that I'm buying at the moment. Then some bay leaves, some Italian herbs, some pepper, and of course some salt. And I need to get this gas on now. And there's some beef stock here. And then some tomato puree to give it a bit more added tomato flavour. Quite a bit of that going in. And lastly, a glug, as I call it, of red wine, which will make it richer. Now, that is a lot. That's going to simmer for 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, everyone. The mix has cooked. I've got some cooked spaghetti here, so that goes in the dish. I'm going to put some of this on top. It doesn't need too much. A bit of the juice. There you go. And then I'm just going to put some mozzarella on the top of it. And there you go. And there we have a beautiful spaghetti bolognese. So, bon appetit, everyone.